Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off email notification on Monday.com. Maybe you are tired of your inbox being flooded with email notifications from Monday.com. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on Monday.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Monday.com application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this page, locate the option Notification Settings and tap on it. Here, you will now see this Email Notifications option. By default, this option is turned on, indicating that you are currently receiving email notifications. Now, to turn off email notifications, you simply need to toggle off this switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully turned off email notifications on Monday.com. Now, your inbox won't be flooded with unnecessary updates. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off email notifications on Monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off email notifications on Monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.